Hi Sam, what's about your experience about with our school? How's your experience with our school?
Yeah, the school is good. It's located in a good area, and yeah, I took two trial classes, and the trial classes were good, and the teacher was able to explain like about the importance of having a nickname, and she also explained about the tonal tones, like how tones can affect your like meaning of the words, how different tones can mean different things. So yeah, it was easy to study. Like I used to think it you can learn Thai language online to YouTube and something like that, but it's way too different to study language to a teacher. So yeah, that I had good
By
experience.
location, what do you think? Like, is it good? Like in Krabi?
Yeah, I think it's good because it's near Krabi town, and Krabi town there are many hostels and hotels for somebody who wants to come to check it out, like how are the teachers, and if somebody wants to check out the school, it's a good location, and if somebody wants to live for a longer time over here, it's a good location as well because there it's near Krabi town, it's near the market as well.
Yeah, we do have
So
beach as well, Aonang beach like that.
yeah,
We
so this is a good location for somebody who wants to come for some time and also for a longer duration of time.
What about the atmosphere or environment inside the school with teacher, with other students? Do you feel happy with that?
Yeah, the environment over here is good. The teacher was like she is like comfortable in talking, so it's easier to talk to she, and it's easier to study as well.
Or what about the admission process for the admin team? You met with admin team as well, so they were good with you.
Yeah, admin were good. They were able to explain me the things easily. I asked them about the trial classes, and they were able to like explain me the timings and everything. And I was able to like take the trial classes easily.
What about the charges of the classes? Like maybe you ask them about your lessons, private lessons, or the private lessons charges, and another is your group lesson charges. Did you feel good with the price?
Yeah, I think the price over here are way cheaper than all the other places that I have like inquired. Like I checked the prices online. The prices over here I found like they were not expensive. They were cheaper than almost every school that I checked. So I think yeah, the prices are cheaper here.
Thanks for your time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
May have you have a very wonderful weekend.
Yeah, thank you so much.